Okay, this is number 8 of the strumming patterns, the Boogie Shuffle. There are 2 versions, and I might just zoom up on this so you can see. We've got a triplet figure and we've got a dotted figure, and I'll explain the difference here. Using the same chord, G, steady tempo. The triplet figure, the bottom one, feels like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and it feels kind of lazy, especially when you compare it to the first one. We've got a dotted quaver followed by a semiquaver in each group. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. That's the top one. And then the bottom of the 2. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. So you can quickly see that the triplet figure is quite lazy feeling. This top one, the dotted figure, is more aggressive. Triplet. Maybe at a tempo. And the dotted, the top one. Feel how one's a bit more frantic, a bit more urgent. I'm on my way from misery to happiness today. Alright, that's it. Okay, number 8.
Good.